Hello students, today we are going to discuss acceleration due to gravity, which is denoted by small g. Before this, I will tell you what is free fall. It is fall of a body under the effect of gravity. It means when body falls, it has velocity. Means if there is velocity, it means acceleration is there. Then acceleration, from where acceleration comes? Acceleration is due to the gravity of the earth. So we can say the uniform acceleration produced in a freely falling body due to the gravitational force of the earth, which is known as acceleration due to gravity. SI unit of acceleration due to gravity is meter per second square. These are same as a acceleration. Now, third point is the small g does not depend on the mass of falling body or smaller masses. Means it does not depend on the mass of the object which is falling. Now, we have to prove this, that the acceleration due to gravity does not depend on the mass of object. We can prove this by solving, and we can also calculate the value of acceleration due to gravity. First of all, force exerted by, as we know, force exerted by earth on the body. When anything, if we will fall and if we will drop stone from the height, it will fall downward, and then gravity of the earth will apply force on it. So that force is equal to Gm, capital M, small m upon r square. Capital G, as we know, capital G is the gravitational constant. Capital M, it is mass of the earth. Small m, that is the mass of the falling object. We can say here stone. And upon r square, it is the distance of that object which is falling on the earth from the earth, means distance between the object and the earth. So this force by earth produces acceleration in the stone. When we will drop it down, then there is acceleration in that stone, due to which stone falls downward. Next, as we know, according to Newton's second law, force is equal to mass into acceleration. So now we will combine these equations, and when we will put value of the force, Gmm upon r square equal to m into a. Now we will find the value of a. A equal to Gmm upon r square upon m. These small m will cut, and a is equal to, now a is left, a is equal to G, capital M upon r square. Capital G, as we know, it is gravitational constant. Capital M, it is the mass of the earth upon r square. As we know, this is acceleration. It is acceleration due to gravity. So we can say a equal to J. Here we can put the value a equal to small g. Here we have proved that small g is equal to capital G, capital M upon r square. It means we can say small g does not depend on the mass of the falling body or smaller masses. And we can also calculate the value of, we can find the value of the small g. we can put the value, each value in this equation. Okay, capital G value is 6.67 into 10 raised power minus 11, and units are Newton per meter square, Newton meter square per kg square, into mass of the earth. We know mass of the earth is the 6 into 10 raised power 24 kg, upon r square. R square, it is the distance of the, we can say, radius of the earth, because an object is on the surface of the earth. So here we can take radius of the earth. It is 6 into 10 raised power 4 meter square. When we will calculate it, we will find out the value of the G. The value of the G is 9.8 meter per second square. So students, that's it for now. We will discuss next topic in next video.